I have a question about HOAs while you're on that note. Is there kind of like do you have any tolerance for HOAs in the lease? Like if the HOA was $100 a year, would you still do it, or is there like a line?
That's exactly what. If it's $100 a year and all it does is pay for, the snow plow, that's how we all pay to make sure that we can get to our places and, it gets plowed or whatever. Totally fine with that.
Where's the cutoff point? Like $500 a year, $1,000 a year?
Not really money when it gets into what's really going on out there. Like,
Use,
we're going to make sure everybody's roof has to be looking like this. Now it's over my line, and I don't want my buyer to have to deal with that.
Like there's a very successful HOAs that we've operated in that are equestrian, they're for horses. So, and if that's, it's not, it might be $25 a year to maintain the dirt roads. And then there might be 2 or 3 sheets that say, this is a horse property. And so that's an example of a real positive HOA. Another positive HOA is when you go in there, like in this case, let's say this does have an HOA, but every single property is built on, then that's an acceptable, or most of them are built on, and they all have access. That's an acceptable HOA too. It's the real urban ones, the urban infill lot HOAs that literally manage how you cut your lawn and the color of your house and all that. That's where you want to stay away. Or then the flip side, like in Arkansas has got a lot of these master planned HOAs that are completely undeveloped. They failed. And so you just want to stay out of there.
Yeah.